Krishna, because of
Progress.
Hare Krishna. So I want to start with the question. And before that, let me build a context for this. So we all know why are we here? We're all here to study Bhagavad Gita because this is a Bhagavad Gita class. And what is the Bhagavad Gita about? It is Krishna trying to explain something to Arjuna because Arjuna is really sad. In Arjuna Vishada Yoga, we understand his sorrow. He's given up on everything and he just wants to run away now. And Krishna is trying to help Arjuna, right? Now we see that throughout his life, Krishna is helping so many people in different ways. How is that? Another example you can take is when Krishna helps helps the entire village when it's raining and it's flooding. He picks up he carries the entire Govardhana hill on the tip of his finger. Now that is such a big thing, right? So Krishna, you will be able to see that he's always helping uh, everyone around him. Whosoever is in need of help, Krishna is trying to help them. Now, I want to think of a moment in your life when Krishna helped you. So you must be wondering, how can Krishna help me? So Krishna, as we all know, is in different forms. So whoever helped you, we know that everything in the world is a manifestation of Krishna. So if anybody helped you, then it's Krishna who helped you. So now tell me, who was helped? I'm sure you must have been in a situation when you needed help. Maybe a friend helped you. A friend helped you and he explained a problem to you, maybe, or a doctor helped you cure a sickness. You had terrible cold and the doctor helped you. So quickly, three people. How did Krishna help you? Yes, Nigda.
So, like usually when I'm sad, usually when I'm very sad, like nothing can cheer me up. Whenever I see at that moment, like when I'm walking down in my apartment, always a dog comes to cheer me up, and that's how I cheer up. And I always feel like Krishna is just sending the dog to me so I can become happy.
Wow, superb, Snigdha. Yes, Tejas. Quickly, how
Yes,
did Krishna help you?
once I was very disappointed with what happened at school. Like one of my friends complained to the teacher on me for no reason. So my father thought of a good solution, and he gave me a cold water bath to. He put cold water in the bucket, and he made me take a cold water bath. And he knows that if you pour cold water on your head, it will eventually cheer you up. So after I had the cold water bath, I felt like as if Krishna had made my father tell me to take a cold water bath. So that's how I felt.
Super, very nice, Tejas. Excellent. So, one thing is that Krishna has always helped us. Now, think of a moment when you were Krishna to someone. So the dog was a Krishna, your father was a Krishna. When were you Krishna to someone? When did you help someone? Yes, Nigda. Quickly.
So in this situation, not only me and my not only me, I was not only Krishna, but me and my friend were Krishna. So one day there was a delivery man. He was actually going to deliver some vegetables to somebody. So that time when he was delivering it, all the vegetables, all the groceries came down and everything fell down. And me and my friends, we were just cycling, and then when we saw it, we just parked our cycles and we went and helped him out. We helped him to deliver all those groceries to the uh, house he wanted to deliver it to. And he thanked us and he was very grateful.
Oh, so nice, Snigdha. Or should I say Krishna? Very good. So we are always talking about Krishna. We do puja to Krishna. We worship him. So why do we do that? Because of these qualities that Krishna had. Krishna was so helpful. He was so kind. He was so dear. He used to speak so sweetly. Different qualities. And one quality is that Krishna always helps others. So now this is a quality. Like that, let's take an example. Okay, there's a glass full of water and there's an empty glass, let's say. So if I want to make this empty glass look like this glass full of water, what can I do? I just need to get drops of water. Keep putting drop by drop until the glass is full. And then it will look exactly like the glass with water. Similarly, how can I become Krishna? So there's so many nice, beautiful qualities that Krishna has. So one by one, if I get these qualities in me, okay, I need to be helpful like Krishna. I need to be kind like Krishna. When I keep getting these qualities within me, one day I'm Krishna and we're all Krishnas. So though we are all already Krishna, this makes us more like someone who has the qualities of Krishna. We already have all of them. We just need to get it out. So you're just getting out your weapons from your backpack. Just get it out. So like that. So you now know all of these things. So there's one final question I want to ask you. So is there someone you look at or you see and you feel like, I want to help this person or this dog, but I can't now, but I'll definitely one day help. So do you have that kind of idea? Do you want to help someone? Do you have that kind of idea? Or maybe let's say you want to be a doctor. So do you want to be a doctor and help all those people who are sick? So do you have something like that to share? Yes, Tejas.
Once I saw a dog inside one pet shop. They put it in a very tightly packed cage. I knew I couldn't do anything to stop those people from keeping the dog inside the cage. So instead, in my heart, I prayed for this dog. Eventually, they actually freed the dog. I thought I could not help it in any way, but I just prayed for the dog just so it can have a good owner, a good life. So that's what I did.
Superb, Tejas. So, like this, there are three very fundamental questions. One, who was the Krishna in my life? Who helped me? Second, was I a Krishna to someone? Did I help someone? Third, can I be a Krishna to someone? Like, can I help someone in the future? So, these are the three questions. And with that, I'm announcing my Krishna journal. So we all know what a journal is. It's like a diary. We write down our day-to-day things. How can I do that? How can I do this? Am I becoming a better person? Like that. You write different things. And this time, this journal takes us on a journey to be a Krishna or to discover that Krishna in me or to get the Krishna out of me. So all of this is about my Krishna journal. So it asks you these fundamental questions that we spoke about and discussed. Now, how do you fill this form? So there are different ways. You can be as creative as you want. You can write the questions on a paper and write the answers, take a picture and send it on the group. Or you can make a video and you can talk about these question and answers. And you can also just design your own nice little Krishna page and you can write all the answers. Now, finally, I want to say that you have to collect and you have to maintain this Krishna journal every week. So next Monday, you will be submitting the very first page of your Krishna journal. So like this, every week you'll be collecting Krishna journals, and the next Gita Jayanti that we'll have, or the Krishna Janmashtami, you can get your Krishna journal and show it to us. And the one with the best Krishna journal will be awarded, will be given a very big surprise that you can't even think of. So, but just this process, the journey of maintaining a Krishna journal itself is very rewarding and very fun. So I want to see who's going to be the most creative Krishna and who's going to maintain the most creative Krishna journal. Excellent. Finally, thank you everyone for being a part, and I'm looking forward to seeing your Krishna journal. Only questions. Yes, Nikta.
Yeah, so I have a question. So will you be sending this Krishna journal picture in the group?
I will be sharing it as soon as the class ends. I'll share the Krishna journal in the group. You can take a print, write, or you can just find your own creative way and you can design your own Krishna journal. So it's going to be
Okay.
your Krishna journey. Very
Yeah.
good.
Okay.
Excellent. I'm assuming there are no more questions. So we'll conclude today's session. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Thank you everyone once again.